Hello, a very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Neetu, and I am coming with objectives of seed science and technology, which is meant for ICAR, NET, JRF, SRF, AFO, NSC, NABARD, PhD, and various agriculture exams. And my channel is Right Path for Education, and this is my series 20. Today, I bring you all the 15 questions which are already asked in previous year exams and hope you will like all the 15 questions. You already know that in exams at least 150 questions are asked. So these 15 questions are nothing and it takes hardly 5 minutes of yours to revise. Now let us start. The scientist first evolved the phenol testing. Who is the scientist who evolved the phenol testing? That is Piper in 1920. Second question is hot water treatment is used to break dormancy in case of lentil. Lentil is to break hot water. We use hot water treatment to break dormancy in lentil. Size of saltation is 0.1 to 0.5 mm. Next question is mode of pollination is maize is cross pollination. Next is pure seed fraction in Abelmoschus esculentus is the highest genetic purity, that is 99%. When the pathogen is loosely mixed with seed in the form of sclerotia gas etc. are called. जब पैथोजन लूजली मिक्सड हो जाता है सीड स्क्लेरोसिया गॉस से तो उसे हम कहते हैं कॉन्कोमिटेंट कॉन्टामिनेशन. Slow drying seed is recommended in case of pulses. Pulses takes little bit more time to drying in comparison to cereals, vegetables and fruit. Production of seedless grape requires zebralins. Now, inflorescence of cauliflower is also called as curd. Sugar turns out from cane in India is by means of leachate test. We are doing leachate test. Positive photoblastic seeds are arrhyranetum. For seed sample kept in an incubator for germination test, light is not harmful. We are using light, different variation of light, 24 hours, 8 hours variation of light for germination testing in case of incubator. Flaring of square in cotton is due to spotted bollworm. Might do not survive below 5 degrees Celsius. Answer is A. And the last question, QH bleach test is recommended for sorghum test. QH bleach test is recommended for sorghum test. These are all the 15 questions which are already asked in previous year examinations. Hope you will like. If you like it, then please press like button and share and subscribe for more spread of these slides which may be useful for anyone. Thank you and have a nice day.